All right, another week, $1,981. Watch me make this money. Watch. So it is like 157. All right. I did a total of 108 today. All right. Again, today's strategy is basically just catching all the drivers that are not on the road because they were out, picking people up last night. So multi-apping all day today, 12 hours, or at least till 10 o'clock at night. All right. Let's see how much you want to make. All right. So for Monday, I think it's like 9. I think I finish off at like 9 o'clock, but it's like 9:30 right now. All right, so for Monday, I made a whopping $307 for today, for a Monday. All right, multi-apping all day, using a strategy, okay? It was a good day, and I still took like 3 hours off. All right, $307. Let's see how much I'm gonna make tomorrow. All right, it's 1:38 p.m. and I made a total of 176. 176 for today. It's been Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday strategy. It's just basically take it easy. Okay, multi-app. All right. Take it easy. All right, 176 and it's only 138. So today the day started about 8 a.m. So all right, let's keep making this money. Finish the day off on what is this, Tuesday? The light just turned on at 6:58, so 7 o'clock, and I did a total of 252. I'm done. Today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday strategies is just to chill, multi-app, take your time, get off early, don't do that much. So all right, here we go. See how much money we make tomorrow. All right, it is Wednesday. Started the day off at about 8 a.m. so all right, picking up my first client. Let's make this money. All right, today is just one of those multi-app days. All right, just taking your time, relax. All right, I'm not gonna be working too hard, so let's make this money. All right, it's like 3:30, and I made a total of like 121 or something like that for today. All right, let's keep it going. See how much we make for the rest of the day. Multi-app, baby. All right, so I finished the day off today at about 8 p.m., give or take. I only did a total of 242. All right, so today was a good day. I got off early. Okay, I'm gonna take it easy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday is different strategies. So see how much money we make tomorrow. All right, it is 12:49. Okay, multi-app strategy today, 127. So 127 for today. Good day. Charging, vacuum in the car as always. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep making this much. See how much more we make today. All right, I finished the day off today at 6 o'clock with a total of 272. All right, Thursday, done early. All right, Friday strategy, here we come. Let's keep making this money. All right, it is Friday the 1st. Okay, today's supposed to be a do all the deliveries, but it's raining and there's an ACL fest going on today in Austin. So, all right, let's see how much money we'll make today. It's raining. It's supposed to be a good day, but it is a ACL fest. So I don't think anybody's gonna be going to any fest in the rain. So, all right, let's see what happens. All right, so I finished my day off making a total of 278 for Friday. Today's Saturday. All right, let's see how much money we make. Let's make this money. All right, it's 9:17 p.m. I finished the day with making 29 trips and $284. So, all right. So today was just a lot of trips. So what I should have done yesterday, I ended up doing today, which was a lot of trips. So tomorrow, Sunday, all I gotta do is complete for the rest of our trips. All right. Get the bonus, and then that's it. I finished the week off, so tomorrow's gonna be a pretty easy day. Finish off early. All right, but watch this. Tomorrow, let's make this money. All right, it's 7:39 in the morning. Today's Sunday. All right, today's gonna be finishing off, the bonus and promos and all that stuff. All right, watch this. Let's make this money. All right, Sunday, I finished the day making 3 something. 3 something, and it was only for like 5 hours 48 minutes, which puts me at $50 an hour. And I think I made like a total of for the whole entire week of like 1980 or something like that. I'll put it right there, 1980 for the whole entire week. But today, awesome day, strategy worked. All right, $50 an hour, 300 and whatever dollars in 6 hours. All right, let's see how much more we make next week. Let's make this money.